I trial fitted the carby and airbox and snorkel, and then I fooled around with the coil and CDI unit on the study desk. So this is the engine as it stands tonight. It's got a battery in there somewhere. This is my temporary ignition switch. I'll flick it on, and this is a green light on that old thing which shows the ignition's on, and this is a run. This is an engine run and quit type thing. I've got that in run. I'm going to press the start button, and I've got a spark plug set up there. I'm getting a spark there. I've got a back axle clicking over there. So I think that's I'll turn that back to engine off. Don't think the run will work now, it doesn't, no. Turn it to run, go again. And so I grab my ignition switch, which is a jury rig thing that the previous owner had set up. Press that off, means the lights on there have gone off, and there's a whole lot of stuff seems to be working there. So tomorrow I reckon I'll get the thing running. You can see the CDI unit and the starter solenoid, the carby on the thing and the exhaust pipe, and the loom hanging down to the ground. That's how it is.